Do judges make law or declare it? English. This is a very important question in jurisprudence. Some thinkers say judges only declare law, while others say judges actually make law. In simple words, judges do both. They declare existing law and also create new law when needed. Explanation in simple English. According to the traditional view, judges do not make law. They only find and declare what the law already is. This idea was supported by jurists like Blackstone. According to this view, law already exists in customs and principles, and judges simply discover and apply it. However, in modern times, this view is not fully correct. Judges often face new situations where no clear law exists. In such cases, they interpret existing laws and sometimes create new legal principles. This is known as judicial lawmaking. Therefore, judges not only declare law but also make law through their decisions. For example, when courts interpret vague or unclear laws, they give them meaning. This interpretation becomes binding in future cases and acts as law. Balanced view. The correct understanding is that judges mainly declare law, but in the process of interpretation and decision-making, they also create new law. Their role is both declaratory and creative. Ratio decidendi and obiter dicta. When a judge gives a decision, it contains different parts. The two most important parts are ratio decidendi. Ratio decidendi means the reason for the decision. It is the legal principle on which the case is decided. This part is binding and must be followed in future similar cases. In simple words, ratio decidendi is the main rule or logic behind the judgment. Obiter dicta means things said by the way. These are additional remarks or observations made by the judge which are not necessary for deciding the case. These are not binding but may be persuasive in future cases. Difference in simple terms. Ratio decidendi is equal to main reason for decision, binding. Obiter dicta is equal to extra comment.